Hi, I'm Mrs. Harper. I'm going to be your college prep math teacher for this year. And thank you for coming out and taking care of getting on these 3 platforms. And so this instruction video is just going to give you a walkthrough of what you're about to run into on Pear Deck so that you will know how to use it when you go through. So first thing is on slides, anytime you see this audio included tag, you can scroll down here to the bottom, and if you click the earphones, then you can press the play and listen to whatever audio is on a slide. Once you've done whatever's on the slide, to move forward, you're going to come down here. Let's make that where you can see it. So you're going to come down here, and you'll click on the arrow in the bottom left corner. So as I move in, the very first thing it asks is a question. If your screen is really small, you may not see answer here over on the side. You may see a green box that just says answer question. And the main reason you're doing this is just to double check which class you're signing up for. So go ahead and answer it. I'm going to put myself in 2A. To submit the response, I just click outside the box and it's been taken as soon as this little key goes out. Okay, so I'm done with answering that question. I'm going to go to the arrow key in the bottom left, go forward. First thing you're going to do is join Google Classroom. Now the link here is hot. It'll take you to Google Classroom. Unfortunately, you will not be able to click on these to copy the codes. So when you go to Google Classroom, it's going to take you to Google Classroom. You'll be able to see it. But right here in the corner is the plus sign to join a class. You click it, click Join Class, and then you can enter in that code. Once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and move forward with the Pear Deck right there. And it's going to ask you if you were able to do it successfully. You can't click on these. If you do, it just makes it a bigger screen. So over here, you just say yes, and then forward arrow onward. Khan Academy. Pick the correct class. Let's just say I'm going to 5B. When I click that link, it's going to come up and say, join your class 5B College Prep Math. Well, that's what I want to do. If you've been in Khan Academy in other years, you can log into your existing account and it'll set everything up. If not, you create a new account. You click the little blue and you answer the questions. So for future reference, my birthday is December 13th. The year, well, we'll just go with 1993, which isn't true. And then when I continue with Google, I'm going to ask you guys to continue with your MISD account. Okay, so once we've successfully joined, I'm going to go back over to Pear Deck, press my forward arrow, say, yep, I got into it. And then the last platform is Delta Math. This is the code you're going to need, 313214. So when you click on the Delta Math, it's going to bring up a screen. And you're going to go all the way, let me see if I can make it where you can see it. You're going to go all the way over here to create account and click it and pick student. And then this is the box where you're going to enter that code, 313214. And the big thing I wanted to point out on this is when this comes up, make sure it says Mrs. Harper. You've got to select a class. A lot of people just miss this altogether and it'll screw up everything. You're not going to be set up correctly. So make sure you take a moment and pick the class that you're in. So I think I'll be in 5B again. Do the one that you're set for. And then use your Mesquite ISD email. And don't just type it in, copy it, and paste it. I've had students do that and they mistype. And then they've copied and pasted the mistyped, and then they can't get in the next time. So type in the email and then verify it by retyping. And same for password. And then create account, you move on. Okay, then we go back over to our Pear Deck. And we go ahead and just move to our next slide. And answer these questions, and that's all you need. I look forward to a great year with you. Thanks for taking care of this.